In this session we'll be going through the first cost center, which is markups. At the top of each cost center you have an option to show help. By clicking on that option, it will bring down a list of guidelines on how to fill in the respective cost center. Markup splits it into two. You've got general markups and cost center markups. So in general markups, first of all, you can put in a minimum order value. Beyond that, you then can put in a default markup. So default markup is the markup that the system will add when a new customer comes onto the system. Once the customer has done a quote, you can go into customers and have a specific markup for that customer. Until he does that, you will be working on the default markup. So you have separate ones for litho and digital. Also, you have a default markup on your own quotes, which is a good idea to match with your default markup for quotes that your customers are doing either through your e-commerce site or on your national site. As well as these type of markups, which are global markups which go on the end of the job, you can also have cost center markups. So these will be adding specific markups to specific processes, and you can use this either running alongside the global markups or as well as the global markups. So typically people might put in extra markups on items that they outsource, such as paper, laminating and binding in some instances. The final option on this page is an option to specify which cost centers are outsourced. The value of this is that when you come to do the quote and you look into the workings of the quote, it will give you a breakdown of your value added, i.e. the amount of the job that is produced in-house as a percentage of the total job.